Hello, guys. Welcome to the Ashley and
Lancelot show.
so we have IPSY for June,
Yeah.
and she's gonna open it. I don't think I'm gonna do it on my face this time. I don't know. I'm just exhausted.
Yeah.
Is there a card in there?
Um, no.
No card. Okay. So $10 a month, and you get the IPSY thing. It says volume up. Sorry, can't hear you. Better turn the dial way to the right this month. Challenge you to fearless express yourself, be seen, be heard, shout your message from the rooftop. So what do we have?
Nail polish. It's in the color Green Day Philly.
I got it. No glitter. So no polish. I put it on my nails. Surprisingly, I know how to put no polish on. Well, continue.
We have the NYX Whipped and Forte lip and cheek color in the color Pink Cloud.
Got this on my thumb. Let it dry. Give me the pink. Where's the pink?
This is lip and cheek color.
Leap and shriek. That's a small ass box. It is lip and cheek color?
Mm-hmm.
That's not no polish.
Lip and cheek color. It goes on your lips. I'm just going to tell you that's so not your color.
I know Thompson wants it. And Steve.
You got Palm Springs long wearing blush. What's the color's name? It doesn't have the color's name.
You know you guys want it. Okay. That's it?
No, we have Hey Honey Uncovered Detoxifying Mud Mask.
I don't think you're gonna be using that.
It's a mud mask.
And we got what? Lotion? Body lotion.
Got detachable soft stuff, triple moisture body lotion, coconut cream shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera.
Yeah, these are all you get for $10 a month in the bag. Let me know if you guys want to have Ashley put makeup on me. Put a link down below.
I had
She
to
want to do it.
shave you first.
And I can shave and leave it as it is.
Now shave. How many people agree that you need to shave that facial hair?
No.
No!
You know you love it. You like the color? You like the color? So yeah, Ashley wants to do a makeup video, but she wants to know what kind of makeup you guys want her to start with and stuff like that. And hopefully from there she can build it up on top of that as well. Try and get her to do more videos.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be the guinea pig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That hurts. Okay. So anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching for the June IPSY. We're not
Yep.
sponsored.
Not sponsored
Well,
whatsoever.
you know, but